Welcome back. Home equity can be a powerful thing. Whether you're looking to sell, upgrade, just get some much needed cash, having that equity can make it happen. MSU Federal Credit Union's Deidre Davis is back with us to share more. Good morning, Deidre.
Good morning.
All right, so those who don't know, what is home equity and how can you use it?
Sure. Well, the home equity is the difference between the appraised value of your home and what you might owe on your mortgage. So that difference is literally the equity that you have in your home. And the way it can be used is by taking out an equity line or an equity loan and then using those funds for a variety of different purposes.
I've heard of two different terms when it comes to this, Deidre, and that is the home equity line of credit and then the home equity loan. What is the difference between these two?
Yeah, so a line of credit means that you have that certain dollar amount. So say that the equity in your home is $40,000. So you have $40,000. You can use a portion of it, and then as you pay it back, that line continues to be available. There's a variable rate with that, but that line continues to be available for the entire length of that the line is open. Then a loan, which is a bit different, it's a set amount of money. So again, it could be that $40,000. It has a fixed term and a fixed rate. So you're making a monthly payment that is always consistent. So if you think you might have varying needs where you want to take some money, say today, and make some home improvements in your kitchen, pay those funds back, and then maybe a year from now you want to make renovations to your bathroom, a line is a great way. But if you know you have one specific purpose and then that's all you'll need, then a loan might be the best option for you.
Thank you. That covers my next question. Like, how would you know which one to go for? So that line of credit is something that stays open for future projects, but a one-time deal loan would be best for you. What can you use home equity for?
Yeah, so you really can use it for anything that you want to use it for, because when you take out that line or loan, it is your money and you have access to that. But you want to be careful with that. You don't want to necessarily use it just to, go buy a pack of gum or something like that, because you are borrowing against your actual home. So a lot of the most common, or I should say the most common uses, are home remodeling. So I mentioned the kitchen or bathroom, adding a deck, maybe finishing landscaping or completing a basement. Also consolidating debt. So oftentimes an equity line or loan will have a very low rate. So if you're paying a higher interest rate on different loans, then you can pay those with the equity in your home. But you want to be sure that you don't then run up that debt again, because then you haven't done yourself any favors. Other popular uses are weddings and higher education as well. So it can really be a low cost and convenient way, but you want to know what you're going to use that for before you take that line or loan out, to make sure that it is the smart decision for where you are financially.
Sounds like you've got some good advice there, and I'm sure the staff at MSUFCU is waiting to help. How else can they help? You mentioned those low rates.
Yeah, so at MSUFCU, we recently introduced a product called SmartLine, which is kind of the best of both worlds between that line of credit and a loan, because what you do is you secure whatever amount that is. So again, in our example, it's been $40,000. And then it's as a line, but say that you want to do those bathroom remodels and it's going to take $12,000. You can then lock that $12,000 at today's rate and make installment loan payments basically. And then again, as you pay it off, those funds become available in your line again. So again, you're getting the benefits of locking that in, knowing exactly what your payment is, but still having the line available to you as you pay it off.
Love that idea. SmartLine home equity loan. Thank you so much for the information, Deidre. Appreciate the time.
Glad to be here. Thank you.
You bet. All the information on your screen, msufcu.org/SmartLine. We'll be right back.